Hey guys, it's Annie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my acai bowl. So first you're going to use one frozen banana and then one packet of acai puree. They come in a package of 4 like this. Then we're going to add in some blueberries. And some mango chunks. Now I buy all of my ingredients from Trader Joe's. No, this is not an advertisement for them, but I just happen to get everything from there. Then I'm going to add in some yogurt. I like to add this in for the creaminess, but you can skip it if you are lactose or you just don't like the taste of yogurt. It's not really necessary, but I do think that it gives it a nice creamy texture. Then I just fill it halfway up with some water and then I put it into the magic bullet and give it a good spin. Pour it into a large bowl and then we can start on all of the toppings I like to put on. I always like to use some kind of fresh fruit, so here I am using some fresh mangoes. Then I'll add in some hemp seeds. I really like the texture of these. You can again get these at Trader Joe's. I really like them. And I'm also going to add on some sliced almonds. And then for a little bit of, dried fruit texture, I am going with some goji berries. You can use other types of dried berries or fruit. Then I am going to use some coconut chips. These are really delicious. They are slightly sweet and very crunchy. And then finally, I found these at Costco a couple months back, but they are grain-free granola, so everything's made with organic almonds, maple syrup, and it's supposed to be really good for you. It looks like this on the inside, and it is insanely delicious for how healthy it's supposed to be, so I almost think that it's too good to be true. And there you go, so that's how I make my acai bowl at home. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. I love you guys and I will see you guys next time.